Hi friends, it's Zenethia here for another chicken check-in. Today we are going to talk about another benefit that chickens provide for farmers and gardeners. So the benefits that chickens provide for farmers that we've already discussed is that we can collect their eggs, we use them to eat the weeds that we don't want in our garden, and they also are great pets. But today we're going to focus on how we can use their poop for the garden. So think about the types of foods that you eat that make your body strong and healthy. That food has to go somewhere, and that's when you have to use the bathroom. And so do chickens. Chickens also use the bathroom. So as we've discussed in previous videos, chickens are omnivores, meaning they eat plants and insects. Farmers like to use their poop, or as we call it, manure, as food for the soil. It allows the plants to grow strong and healthy. So we are back at the chicken coop, which you all have been here before, and it looks a lot cleaner and neater today. We have just cleaned out the chicken coop and put that leftover bedding, which is wood chips, into our compost pile. So the leftover chicken bedding we put into the compost, which breaks down, and we will later put that into the garden. That manure is going to be used as food for the soil like we talked about earlier. The chickens have still been doing fine, and they are enjoying their time, and they can't wait to see you all next time for our next video next week when we'll do another chicken check-in.